Today I am reviewing the Apple Watch Series 11. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're thinking about upgrading your current smartwatch or finally dipping your toes into the Apple ecosystem, the Apple Watch Series 11 46mm model demands your attention. This specific version features a gorgeous, glossy jet black aluminum case paired with a black sport band in the medium to large sizing. It is a stunning piece of engineering that transitions seamlessly from a sweaty workout to a professional business meeting. Let's dive deep into exactly what makes this device the ultimate companion for your wrist. First, let's talk about design and everyday comfort. The 46mm size gives you an expansive, gorgeous, always-on display that curves elegantly toward the ultra-thin bezels. What makes the Series 11 truly stand out is how thin and lightweight it is. Apple managed to trim down the profile so it sits remarkably flat against your wrist. It is so comfortable that you will genuinely forget you are wearing it, which is crucial because this watch is built to stay on your wrist around the clock, especially while you sleep. And sleeping is where the Series 11 unlocks some of its most powerful new capabilities. Moving past basic data, the watch now delivers a comprehensive daily sleep score right when you wake up. This number breaks down your sleep stages, movement, and sleep quality into an easy-to-understand metric, helping you optimize your bedtime habits. Even more impressive are the clinical-grade health metrics operating silently in the background. The Vitals app tracks your overnight vitals and can actively notify you of signs pointing to possible sleep apnea. Furthermore, by analyzing how your blood vessels expand and contract with each pulse, the Series 11 can monitor your body for chronic signs of high blood pressure and send you hypertension notifications. Combined with the ability to take an on-demand ECG and receive irregular heart rhythm alerts, this is easily the most sophisticated health monitor Apple has ever created. When it's time to move, the Series 11 transforms into an elite, highly motivating fitness tracker. Whether you're into strength training, hiking, or swimming, it provides highly precise data. Runners will absolutely love the new pacer feature and customized heart rate zones, while the training load feature tells you if you're pushing too hard or under training. If you have an Apple Intelligence-compatible iPhone nearby, you can even activate Workout Buddy for real-time tactical training adjustments. It is also completely water-resistant up to 50 meters and sports an IP60X dust resistance rating, making it perfect for swimming, paddleboarding, or dusty trail runs. All of these advanced background features would normally destroy a smartwatch battery, but Apple has delivered a massive boost in battery life here. You get up to 24 hours of completely normal use on a single charge. If you do find yourself running low, the new fast charging system is incredibly efficient. Plugging it in for just 15 minutes gives you up to 8 hours of normal operation, which is perfect for a quick top-off before heading to bed for overnight tracking. Plus, the front display glass has been upgraded to be 2 times more scratch-resistant than previous models, ensuring it can handle the occasional accidental bump against a wall or gym equipment. Finally, the safety and connectivity features tie the whole package together. With built-in crash detection, fall detection, and emergency SOS, the watch can automatically contact emergency services and notify your loved ones if you are in a severe accident. For daily life, it keeps you fully plugged in. You can stream music, answer phone calls, send quick texts, and use Siri flawlessly right from your wrist using your iPhone's GPS connection. If you want a beautifully designed, durable smartwatch that actively watches over your health and supercharges your fitness, the Apple Watch Series 11 is an absolute home run.